Dear student, great day. Let us start our session with History 3 Indus Civilization. In our History 2 Human Evolution, we had discussed about the stages of human lifestyle of early human. Early men used stone tools for making their weapons. They used these weapons for their hunting activity. Later, they started to practice the agriculture. They made some anti-craft by using their creativity. Later, they developed a barter system, that means exchanging a good. After they formed civilization. Here, what is meant by civilization? A society which has its own highly developed culture and way of life. That is called civilization. In our lesson, we are going to discuss about some examples of civilization. What are the features of civilization? Features of civilization are food supply, religion, arts, writing, trade, and government. These were all the features of civilization. They were four ancient civilizations which had these features. That is Egyptian civilization, Mesopotamia civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Chinese civilization. Egyptian civilization. It is lied in between 3100 to 1100 BCE. It was located near river Nile. Mesopotamia civilization. It lied in between 3500 to 2000 BCE. It was located near Euphrates and Tigris River. Indus Valley civilization. It lied in between 3300 to 1900 BCE. It was located near river Indus. Chinese civilization. It lied in between 1700 to 1122 BCE. It was located near Yellow River. From this example, we can understand all are located near the river. Why did people settle near river? The answer is the soil is fertile, fresh water is available for drinking, watering livestock, and irrigation. Easy movement of people and goods is possible. Among these four civilizations, the Indus Valley civilization was considered as famous because of the well-organized government, town planning, best food supply, etc. Discovery of a lost city, Harappa. In 1921, Mr. Dayaram Shani discovered the city of Harappa. Harappa is located on the bank of the river Ravi. In 1922, Rashkal Das Banerjee discovered the city of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro is located on the bank of the river Indus. In the 1920s, archaeologists began to excavate the sites of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. They unearthed the remains of these long forgotten cities. In 1924, the Director General of ASI, that means Archaeological Survey of India, Sir John Marshall, found many common features between Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. He concluded that they were part of a large civilization. Some slight differences are found in the earthenwares of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. This made the researchers conclude that Harappa was older than Mohenjo-daro. In this valley civilization divided into two parts, that is upper part and lower part. It is located near the river Indus. Upper part. Upper part has citadel, the great granary, the great bath, the assembly hall. Citadel. Large fortress used to protect towns from attacks and disasters. That is a place where administrators and rulers used to live. It is 20 meters above the lower part of the civilization. The Great Path. The Great Path was a large rectangular tank in a courtyard. Courtyard means it is a outside area of a building that is enclosed with wall. It may be a earliest example of the waterproof structure. The bath was lined with bricks coated with plasters and made watertight using layer of natural bitumen. There were steps on the north and south leading into the tank. There were rooms on three sides. Water was drawn from the well located in the courtyard and drained out after use. The Assembly Hall. The Assembly Hall was another huge public building at Mohenjo-daro. It was a multi-pillared hall, that is 20 pillars in 4 rows to support the roof. The Great Granary. The granary was a massive building with a solid bricks foundation. Granary were used to store food grains. The remains of wheat, barley, millets, sesame, and pulses have been found there. Lower part. Lower part is a large area where the common people live. House. Houses are divided into single stories and double stories. Houses were built on the both sides of the street. Stories means floors, either house having one floor or two floors. The houses were built using backed bricks and mortar. Sun-drained bricks were also used. Most of the bricks were of uniform size. Roofs were flat. Streets. The streets are observed to have a grid pattern. They were straight, running from north to south and east to west, and intersected each other at right angles. The roads were wide with rounded corners. Drainage system. Many of the cities had covered drains. The drains were covered with slab or brick. Holes were provided at regular interval to clear the drains. Every house had its own soap pit. Soap pit means allows water to slowly soak into the ground, which collected all the sediments and allowed only a water to flow into the street drain. House drains passing below many lands before finally emptying into the main drains. Trade and transport. Harappans were great traders. Standardized weights and measures were used by them. They used sticks with marks to measure length. They used carts with spokeless solid wheels. There is evidence for extensive maritime with Mesopotamia. King Naram Sin has written about buying jewelry from the land of Meluka, that is in a region of Indus Valley. Cylindrical seals similar to those found in Persian Gulf and Mesopotamia have also been found in Indus area. This shows a trade link between these two areas. A dockyard has been discovered in Lothal in Gujarat. Dockyard means it is a waterside area. Here they used this place for the repairing the ship or warehouses, etc. Leader in Mohenjo-daro. A sculpture of a sealed male has been unearthed in a building with a headband on the forehead and the smaller ornament on the right upper arm. His hair is carefully combed and beard finely trimmed. Two holes beneath the earth suggest that the head ornament might have been attached till the ear. The left shoulder is covered with shawl-like garment decorated with designs of flower and rings. This shawl pattern is used by people even today in those areas. Technology. Indus people had developed a system of standardized wheels and measures. Ivory scale found in Lothal in Gujarat is 1704 millimeter. It is the smallest division ever recorded on the scale of those civilizations. Hidden treasures of Indus civilization. Apparel. Cotton fabric were in common use. Clay sandals unearthed suggested that yarn with spun. That means placing a series of individual fibers together to form a continuous series. So, wool was also used. Next thing, love and peace. Settlements were built on giant platform and elevated grounds. The Indus civilization seems to have been a peaceful one. Few weapons were found and there is no evidence for an army. They displayed their statue with ornaments and precious jewelry. Ornaments. Ornaments were popular among men and women. They adorned themselves with necklaces, armlets, bangles, finger rings, earstuds, and anklets. The ornaments were made of gold, silver, ivory, shell, copper, terracotta, and precious stone. Iron was unknown to people of Indus. Copper was the first metal discovered and used by Cuman. Indus people used the red quartz stone called carnelian to design jewelry. Government. Historians believe that there existed a central authority that controlled planning of towns and overseas trades, that is import and export, maintenance of drainage and peace in the sea. Occupation. The main occupation of the Indus civilization people is not known. However, agriculture, handicraft, pottery making, jewelry making, weaving, carpentry, and trading were practiced. They were merchants and traders and artisans. Rearing of cattle was another occupation. People in those times know how to use the pottery wheels. Pottery. Pottery was practiced using the pottery wheel. It was well fired. Potteries were red in color with beautiful design in black. The broken pieces of pottery have animals figures and geometric designs on it. Religious belief. We do not have any evidence pointing to specific gods or their religious practices. They might have been worship of mother goddess. Toy culture. Toys like cards, cow with movable heads, clay balls, tiny dolls, a small clay monkey, clay dogs, and male dancer have been found. They made various types of toys using terracotta, which shows that they enjoyed playing. Decline of Harappas. What happened to Harappans? By 1900 BCE, the Harappan culture had started declining. It is assumed that the civilization met with many reasons, that is, repeated floods, ecological changes, that is, changes in living organism, invasions, natural calamity, that means lot of damages. Calamity means lot of damages. Climatic changes, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down the trees. And an epidemic, that means a large number of people suffering from the same diseases at same time. General facts of Indus Valley Civilization. It is among the oldest in the world. It is also a largest among four ancient civilizations. The first planned cities are found in this civilization. The Indus also had advanced sanitation and drainage system. There was a high sense of awareness on public health. In this session, we discussed about what is civilization and its features. Ancient civilization, that is four civilization. Indus Valley civilization and its parts, that is upper part and lower part. Then hidden treasures of Harappan culture, decline of Harappan culture, general facts of Harappan culture. This is a worksheet for you. Learn it and write as a home test. Thank you.